Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best CNC machines for wood carving that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the FoxAlien Masuter 3S CNC router machine. This model is perfect for hobbyists and professionals alike, thanks to its high-speed NEMA 23 closed-loop stepper motors that deliver an impressive 2.2 Newton meters of torque and a rapid moving speed of up to 10,000 millimeters per minute. The 400-watt spindle ensures that it can handle soft metals like aluminum with ease, while its stable dual HG15 linear rails and T12 lead screw provide precise engraving accuracy down to 0.05 millimeters. The build quality of the Masuter 3S is equally impressive. It features sturdy 2,360 millimeters extrusions for enhanced stability and a spacious work area of 15.75 inches by 15.75 inches by 3.74. The machine also includes a user-friendly controller box with shortcut buttons for quick operation. While assembly is straightforward, its heavier frame, weighing 58.3 pounds, might be a concern for portability. That said, once set up, this CNC machine runs smoothly and quietly, making it ideal for home workshops. However, the lack of available pricing information might be a barrier for some buyers. Additionally, while it's versatile with an optional X-axis extension kit, it's best suited for intricate wood, acrylic, and soft metal projects rather than heavy-duty industrial tasks. If precision and smooth operation are what you're after, the Masuter 3S is worth considering. Pros include its robust spindle, high-speed motors, and easy user interface, while cons are its weight and premium price without clear budget options. At number 4, we have the Lunyee 4040 Pro CNC router machine. This all-metal CNC router is designed for stability and precision, featuring a reinforced 4060 aluminum gantry and dual linear guides. The Z-axis ball screw ensures accurate movement, making it a great option for engraving and cutting hardwood, acrylic, nylon, and other DIY materials. With a working area of 15.75 by 15.75 by 3.1, it's versatile for both small crafts and larger woodworking projects. In terms of design, the Lunyee 4040 Pro stands out with its magnetic dust covers that protect the belts and keep the work area clean. The quick connect wiring and pre-assembled modules make setup a breeze, taking only about 15 minutes to get started. It also supports GRBL 1.1F software and features an intuitive control box with emergency stop and homing buttons for safe operation. While the 120-watt spindle power is slightly lower than some competitors, it compensates with reliability and precision. On the downside, the Lunyee 4040 Pro is slightly heavier than other options, weighing in at 38.9 pounds, which might limit portability. Additionally, while it supports upgrades to more powerful spindles, these come at an extra cost. Overall, this machine is perfect for hobbyists and small workshops who value precision and a clean, organized workspace. Pros include its dust-proof design, quick setup, and all-metal frame, while cons are its weight and limited spindle power out of the box. Coming in at number 3 is the WolfPawn CNC Router Machine 4040 Pro. This robust CNC machine is built on an all-metal frame for exceptional structural stability, making it a great choice for both beginners and experienced users. The machine is equipped with a powerful 500-watt spindle, which, when paired with its 2GT belt and circular linear guide, ensures high-speed operation and precise engraving across wood, metal, acrylic, and even MDF and nylon materials. The design emphasizes user convenience, with most components pre-assembled and an easy-to-follow instruction manual. The independent control box features an emergency stop button for added safety, along with a dust bashel to maintain a clean workspace. The 27 by 15.5 by 13-inch package size and 42.1-pound weight make it a bit bulky, but the sturdy construction ensures long-term durability. While the WolfPawn 4040 Pro excels in performance and ease of use, it does come at a higher price point, and some users might find the dust baffle insufficient for heavy-duty tasks. However, its powerful spindle and reliable build quality make it ideal for users looking to tackle a variety of materials and projects. Pros include its high-speed operation, user-friendly assembly, and durability, while cons are its weight and relatively high price. At number 2, we have the longer laser engraver Ray 5W. This budget-friendly CNC machine is packed with features, making it an excellent choice for beginners. Its cutting-edge 240 MHz ESP32 chipset allows for engraving speeds of up to 10,000 millimeters per minute, while the laser point size of 0.08 by 0.08 millimeters ensures high-precision engraving down to 0.01 millimeters. The 400 by 400 millimeter working area provides ample space for various projects, from intricate designs to larger engravings. The Ray 5 is designed for versatility, supporting USB, TF card, Wi-Fi, and app connectivity. It's compatible with popular software like Laser GRBL and Lightburn, making it easy to integrate into any workflow. Safety features like emergency shutdown and motion protection add an extra layer of security, while the included protective goggles ensure user safety during operation. However, its lightweight build, 8.26 pounds, might make it less stable for heavy-duty tasks. This machine is perfect for hobbyists and small businesses looking for an affordable option that doesn't compromise on performance. While it's not ideal for cutting through thicker materials, its precise laser and user-friendly setup make it a top choice for engraving wood, acrylic, and even glass. Pros include its affordability, precision, and connectivity options, while cons are its lightweight build and limited cutting power. Finally, at number 1, we have the Genmitsu CNC 3018 Pro Router Kit. This machine is a fan favorite for good reason. It's an upgraded version of the popular 3018 model, featuring a raised base height for better stability and the ability to cut through a wide range of materials, including woods, acrylics, soft aluminum, and PCBs. The 20,000 RPM spindle and GRBL control software ensure smooth and accurate performance. The design is compact and easy to assemble, making it perfect for beginners and intermediate users. The package includes Carveco Maker, CAM design software, and Candle for controlling your machine, providing a seamless workflow from design to execution. Optional upgrades like the 3040 Y-axis extension kit allow you to expand the work area for larger projects, making this a versatile option for a variety of applications. While the Genmitsu 3018 Pro is slightly more expensive than some competitors, its robust build quality and consistent performance make it a worthwhile investment. Ideal for hobbyists and small businesses, this machine offers a great balance of affordability and functionality. Pros include its stability, versatility, and ease of use, while cons are its relatively small working area and limited cutting depth for thicker materials. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.